Hello everyone, welcome. Want to turn your Shopee SPAYLATER credit into instant cash in GCASH? In this guide, we'll tell you how to use a legit workaround using My Business. No shady middleman, just a secure method. So on your Android device, download and install My Business from the Play Store. It's not available on iPhone. Create and verify your My Business account. You will need a valid ID and business details to get approved. Once approved, open My Business and locate your QR merchant code. Go to the Shopee app, choose an item you'd like to purchase, select SPAYLATER as the payments method, and scan your My Business QR code at checkout. The SPAYLATER amount will pay your My Business account instantly. Since Maya is a wallet, funds will reflect there. Open My Business and transfer the money to your GCASH wallet or bank account. This step's free and fast. So also heads up, this workaround only works on Android with My Business. Watch for fees. Maya usually doesn't charge for transfer, but SPAYLATER interest still applies. And that's how you convert SPAYLATER credit into GCASH instantly, safely, and easily. Like and subscribe for more legit money saving hacks, and drop a comment if you're stuck. Thanks for watching.